guys, Jen here from Raven Loot and Paper 2, and I am sharing with you everything I am sending for the cherry and bow swap hosted by Jen Made It. And it was make one get one or make two get two. I have made two, but one is for Jenny as like the hostess gift or whatever, and that way she doesn't have to open someone else's swap and try and get it all back together. So the requirements were a MDC or ATC with our info on the back, a store-bought gift or sweet treat, a mini album or embellishment style book with a minimum of 4 items inside. Some examples were bows, ribbons, rosettes, flowers, wire wrap dangle, beadable items, an altar notebook, sequin mix, etc. So this is what I am sending. The paper collection that I used was the Coquette collection from Hobby Lobby, and I guess it'd be easier to just go into the sweet treat or gift. And I got these little gift bags. I got like a pack of 12 from my local, I don't know if it's Beals or Bells, I've heard it said both ways, the outlet store. Anyways, it was like $3.99 for 12 of these, and they are this light striped bag with the pink cherries and bows on them, and I thought it matched the Coquette paper very well, so that's the bag that I'm sending the sweet treat in. And for the sweet treat, I have the cherry gummies from Dollar Tree. I am including this cherry and bow package brightening vitamin C eye cream, and then I also have the night cream, the bright vitamin C night cream. And also in here I have some of those reusable bags that I bought, and they have the bows and the cherries on them, and they are from Walmart. And inside the bag I have a small collection of little goodies, including some, there we go, including some nail wraps that are cherry, and then I have some of these under eye mask things. What are they? Yeah, it just says under eye mask, hydrating under eye mask. And then I am including some dress up cherries. They're just some little flatbacks cabochons, so they can do what they need to with them. Now this is my, I guess, album is what it is. Maybe it's an embellishment book. It's kind of all of them. I kind of measured it a little wrong, and it doesn't quite function as smoothly as I would like for it to, but I have run out of time, so this is still going to go. Like I said, the paper that I used was the Coquette from Hobby Lobby. I have made a little band here to go around to keep it closed, and it is Velcro in the back. Here for the front embellishment part, I made this little this is gold glitter cardstock, and on top of it is this like vinyl, this hot pink vinyl from Michaels from a while ago, and I have added sequins to the frame there, and then it's layered up with this flowery background piece that I've also stitched around. And then I have this bow here that I'd gotten from Temu, and I double layered it. There is a pink, and then this was a cherry printed paper from that collection, and I have added a cherry cabochon in the center of that. And on the paper here in the background, along all of the diamonds, I've sewn around the edges, and I have also added sequins in each of the corners here. And then here in the back, this is what it looks like. Like I said, this is just Velcro so that it can come off. And then I made a little label with my little logo on it, and it says Cherry and Bow Swap, handmade with love by Jennifer Wells, Raven Loom and Paper 2. And it's a little ring album, so here are the rings. And then I also thought it'd be really cute to add, since I wanted to do that vinyl Oh my goodness. Since I wanted to do a spine that was vinyl, I thought it would be really cute to add this like beaded beaded piece along the spine here, and it just goes with the colors that match this collection. We've got the white, the pink, the blue, and then I've got a little heart. We've got bows and a cherry cabochon in the center that I've kind of drilled through to make it into a bead here, and I just thought that was really cute to add to the book. Let me slide off the belly band here. So without the little belly band, that is what it looks like. It's just a little cherry album, and then when you open it on the inside here, we have a pocket, and it's got the strawberry and cherry paper, and I've got a little bow cabochon right there, and this is also Velcroed. It's like super strong Velcro. Inside of here, in that first pocket, I have included a dangle that I made, and this one is specifically for Jenny. It has a little J at the top. Otherwise, it's exactly the same as the one I made for the other person. We have hearts, we have bows in this pink color. I have more of the cherry cabochons. We have this like cherry blossom-ish flower. I have these cute little cherry charms on here. Some of the heishi beads, a giant bow at the bottom to anchor it all in, and let's see, there's a cherry clay bead. It is just very, 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 very beautiful. All of my colors here are here's a little gold bow at the top. Just all of the cute little colors that match with everything. And then I have included in that pocket as well this little cherry bag, and it is like a reusable bag as well, and it just has the some of the matching ephemera from the Hobby Lobby collection in here to share, so they can kind of decorate this book up how they would like to, because I kind of left it pretty bare. So then on the first page of the ringed album here, I have used this paper that is like bows in the background, and then I've added a heart trim along the bottom, and this is my Memory Dex card, and it is just like this was on Cricut, it was like a cake topper, and I just changed the colors up and welded a Memory Dex base onto the bottom. And in the background paper there is the cherries. I've got a little sequin mix inside there with little bows and hearts, clay bits, and whites and reds and golds and pinks galore. And then I have this little cherry die here. This guy was also from Temu, and I've just layered it up. We've got some green sparkles. This is like a magenta pink, and then like a lighter pink with a little heart in the center. And then the that right here is cherry on. That is from KS Craft. It is their cherry word die. Alright, for the second page here, the back, I have, this is that like Spellbinders charm die. And I just made little keychains with cherries with little bows atop them on that one. And then on my second page here, I've used that blue floral paper, and then I have some that bow trim that was from oh my goodness, TJ Maxx or Honga TJ Maxx, I think, last Christmas. And then I've made bag toppers for them. This one says, well, they both say cherry sweet, and they have little dangles on each of them. I have the sequin mix with the snow tulle over the cherry paper, and then I've included these guys from Temu, which were like these 3D pom-pom cherries, and there are 2 of them. So here is the other one. It also says cherry sweet for that bag topper, but it is in the white and red, kind of more the traditional instead of this like really pretty coquette stuff. And then here on this page, I have cut out on foam the phrases from the KS Craft cherry things. We have cherries, cherry on, cherry sweet, cherry amour, the cherry on top, and your cherry cute. And this page has like a little pom-pom trim on it, because on the back are some bows that I have put on foam. And then here I have made a pocket on the back section here to include some more goodies, and it's just that really cute cherry paper, and I've sewn all around the edges, and I've added the little sequins as well. And then here in the back I have gifted a few more items. I have some cherry stickers, and I've used the little cherry sweet thing here. It also popped up on foam, and it's got a little bow added to it from the ephemera. And then here are those Dollar General stickers with the bows and the hearts, and I just put in some of that cherry and strawberry paper on the back there. And then at the top is a little bow paper clip. That's my little extra topper thing there, I guess. And that is everything that I am sending for this cherry and bow swap. Hold on one second, let me lay it all out so you guys can see how cute it all looks together. And that's everything kind of laid out together, just everything that wasn't glued down already for shipment. And that is everything I'm sending to the cherry and bow swap. Once again, it's hosted by Jen Made It, and I will be sure to link below when I get my incoming swap. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And you guys can also find me on TikTok and on Instagram as well. See you guys in the next video.